Hell yeah. Get up here, Rick. What are you doing?
I'm gonna look at you.
Get up
Take
here.
it in.
Rick is a college graduate and a fraternity brother. He graduated Kappa Kappa Gay. So.
Bruh, didn't I just give you some change under that fucking overpass over there,
You know, Rick has like these traditional old kind of looks, you know what I'm saying? He looks like a propaganda poster from 1940s Germany. Fumble.
Bruh, you look like Tom Hanks after Wilson left him out on that fucking alley.
Rick is into kinky stuff. He'll often use marinara sauce as lube.
Not only has he disappointed men and women with his eraser tip, but Pettifile the pedophile also disappoints children.
Rick is wide enough to be Mario and Luigi, you know?
Bro, you look like Mufasa's asshole. After the stampede.
That was good. All right. I like that one. I actually enjoyed that one.
Use that react.
Rick is actually very active in his community. You can often find him giving roofied cannolis to children.
Bro, you look like you pee your pants more than you don't pee your pants.
Final joke, guys.
Final joke? All right. Rick's the kind of guy who gets a boner when he sees salmon-colored shorts. You know what I'm saying? Set of Sperry's. No? All right.
All right, we're gonna switch it up. Hold up. Let me end on this. I got double the clicks, double the dick, and double the bitch. And since you so damn pussy, I know you sit down when you piss.
Give it up for him, everybody! All right, at the end, that was great.
Yeah, or the lamest thing I've seen in my life, but yeah, there you go. White guy rapping, I thought white guy guitar was the worst thing. But yeah.
We asked on you, judges, give it up if you think Rick Russo! Stepping all over damn shit. Give it up for Bill Pettifile!
Those are so good.
Give it up if you think the winner is Rick Russo! And one more time for Billy Pettifile! Damn, this is where the hard part comes. Who is the winner of the roast?
Disney chick. Who's about it? What do you go for? Rick Russo is winning it! That was fucking great, guys. Good job, both of you guys. Hell yeah. This is awesome.
Good job.
This is amazing.
There's so much shit.